This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on WhatsApp using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now and I have WhatsApp opened up. To enable or disable read receipts, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the settings, tap on settings. Then you'll scroll down a little ways, down to where you see privacy, and tap on privacy. Then you'll scroll down a little bit more. And right here, read receipts. It says if you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. Right up here is the toggle. If you want to disable read receipts, you would just toggle this off. And to enable read receipts, you just toggle this on. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.